In this video I'm going to show you that how you can hide any chat on Snapchat. So what you need to do first is go to your Snapchat account. Okay, after that what you need to do is go to your chat option. After going to chat option, what you need to do is go to on the chat option you want to hide that the person's conversation. I'm going to this. So what you can see, I have sent a message that to my friend. I want to hide this conversation from my chat list. So please leave a like on this video and subscribe my channel if this video helped you. So after that, what you need to do is click on this three dot bar icon right here, the top right corner. After that, here you can see here is the option manage chats. Please follow every step of this video to solve your problem. After that, you need to click on the manage chat option. After that, here you can see here is the option. I have sent a message to my friend Shaunuddin in the top option. You want to click on this cross option to hide this chat. So what you need to do is click on the cross option right here. Then you can see here is a message. This will clear the conversation from your feed. It will not delete any saved or sent message in your conversation. So if you clear this conversation, please don't worry, your chat will not be removed. Your conversation just removed from your chats. So what you need to do next is click on clear. After click on clear, here you can see the message is cleared from my chat. So I have hide my friend's message from my conversation. So what if you want to unhide the message from your Snapchat? So what you need to do is just click on the search option and type your friend's username. Okay, this one. Then here you can see here is the message. The message will not be removed. Just my conversation has been hidden. So what you need to do is just send a message. Hi. Okay. Then go back. Then here you can see the conversation will be active again and in your feed. So this is how you can hide and unhide your any message on Snapchat. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe this channel. Peace.